Hi, this is Karen Kellerman, the real estate lady. I'm at Unit 63 at Twin Oaks at 1229 Kennedy Road in Daytona Beach. Now this is an end corner unit, so there's a little less windows in your living room, dining room area. Actually, you're no windows, just the kitchen one. And unfortunately, they did choose to paint this a dark bluish gray color. So it doesn't really brighten the apartment up very much without having any living room lights. This one is almost ready to go. They're just doing a little work in the kitchen. But you do have this nice breakfast bar here. You've got newer cabinets. They're working on the stove, stainless steel refrigerator, and double stainless steel sink. You got your little kitchen window here, but we've got some really nice cabinetry. A nice countertop, and they're going to be getting that stove back in place. Got a little dining nook here. Of course, your big living room. It's all tile, so that's nice. You've got your utility closet here. So you've got easy access to your air conditioning and your water heater. So real easy to get in there and change your filters. We've got the front bedroom, which is the smaller of the two. They're all good sized rooms, but this one is a tiny bit smaller. Again, they did that same color throughout. Nice double closet. And then you've got a little linen closet before you get to the bathroom. So you've got some good storage space there. The bathroom has a newer solid surface enclosure. Nice vanity here. Nice shape there. And then this is the master. It's not a lot bigger than the first bedroom, but a little bit, a couple of feet. You've got two windows because this is the front of the building on the corner. Then you've got this walk-in closet. Certainly plenty of room if you wanted to add a few more rods in there where you've got such a big space. So that pretty much concludes our tour. Again, this is a 2-bedroom, first floor corner unit. So if you have any questions, give me a call. Karen Kellerman, the real estate lady, 386-243-2000, and I'd be happy to help you or answer any questions that you might have.